Hey everybody, welcome to our channel Cinema Ratnam. So today we are here going to watch Amaran official teaser, and in this we have my favorite Siva Karthikeyan, Rajkumar, GV, Prakash, Kamal Hassan, and R. Mahendra. I guess Kamal Hassan sir is like his productions is there in here, and Amaran official teaser we are here with it of my favorite Siva Karthikeyan. आई लव शिव कार्तिकेयन मतलब वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट एक्टर्स अगर जो भी बोले जाए तो ही इज माय फेवरेट in the actor. Like I love his acting from the movie Vartha Partha Valibar Sangam. From that movie he is just incredible. From him I have been learned how to speak Tamil. Literally, how to understand Tamil, how to speak Tamil. I only learned by watching these movies. From the Island movie, from Mahaviran movie, from the Prince movie, from Varuda Padada Valibar Sangam movie, from the Dawn movie. These all movies are my favorite. And I love to watch these movies. So today we are here with the Amaran official teaser. So let's see how this movie's teaser is going to be. चलिए देखते हैं.
இன்ஃபன்ட்ரி சோல்ஜர்ஸ் இந்தியால 20,000 பேஸ் கேம்ப் மேல இருக்கு. அதுல எதுலயும் இல்லாம இங்க காஷ்மீர்ல சோபியான்ல நம்ம 44 ஆர் சீட்டா கம்பெனில இருக்கீங்கன்னா you are all the chosen ones.
Yo!
இந்த ஆபரேஷனுக்கு எவனும் முகத்த மூடாது. இதான் என் முகம். இந்தியன் ஆர்மியோட முகம் நாங்க இருக்கோம் காட்டு.
Oh my god. Huh. For me, in here, watching this just feels very unsafe, first of all. Literally, like, yes, what all things have been seen in here, it's literally going still. The people in the borders up in the Kashmir have been facing all these things, and in here, the way our Siva Karthikeyan is acting and everything, like watching his what we can say character in here, the way he has changed his look in here, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा what we can say inspiring लग रहा है मुझे, and I love it the way he has that motivation giving to his soldiers. Who are we? Yeah, the way he's been. Reciting it again and again to be there, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. And also you can see like people they were showing one frame in here, like people one side they were playing holy and other side there was like attacking thing going on, and वो देख के मेरे को I was like you can't even predict what your life is going to be in the next second. Love जो भी अभी situation भी चल रहा है, the Kolkata ones already I have been in that very disturbed for I guess 3 to 4 days now. I have been not even celebrated Independence Day because of that all the things going. Now imagine the situation going in up in the Kashmir. I thought starting में ये देखने के बाद देखकर I thought it's Uri, you are right, the surgical strike. I thought the movie मतलब maybe उसका remake किया गया है, but no, it is like a very different one. For the soldiers, and also यहाँ पे ये भी बताया गया है कि the terrorism जो कुछ भी चल रहा है it should be like abolished from the India and everything, and they have been trying very hard for that. And the way the terrorists do to our Indians especially, मतलब वो सारे किस्से सुन के देख के it just feel very saddened in the heart कि यार how even people can do to an other human beings. ये बात मेरे दिमाग में जब भी चलती है ना, I just go into the another world कि यार how even cruel a person can be to another person, literally. And in here, the way the what we can say how Sivakarthikeyan chooses script, it's very different. I have been never seen our Sivakarthikeyan in this role, and I'll be very excited to watch it. Him being in a totally different kind of a person, not a different kind of a person, in different kind of a character. How he would be playing in it, and what all things are going to be there. What will the story? And it is a story at the last we have been seen. It's Mukund V, है ना? Mukund V का I guess this is the biography of, and I guess this is a real life story might be. क्योंकि they have been showcased the name and everything, and such what we can say border पे जो story होते हैं of a soldier and everything, they are truly inspiring for our lives. क्योंकि वो अपना सब कुछ sacrifice करके they go into the borders, fight for us. Yes, they fight for us, not for themselves also. तो ये एक बात जानना बहुत ज़्यादा important है यहाँ पे from the soldiers, that you need, not all the time, but yes, but many of the times you need to sacrifice your life for others too, for you to be in have that what we can say live the good life, not in here but in heaven, but yes, have that satisfaction thing in your heart whenever you what we can say get up in the morning or awake in the morning. Or यहाँ पे I have been seeing that the way they sacrifice and everything, they were like shooting, everything was going on, the people living in peaceful in that area, like the terrorists come and disturb them, and at the starting of also we have been seeing that one of the person was caught and ऐसे उसको मार दिया गया and everything. When will all this stop? This my only one question is, when will all this stop? The Kolkata scene with the doctor which has been happened, that break my heart, because no media personality has been covering that. Only we as the influencers and some of the actors have been what we can say posting there on the stories on their feed. Literally मतलब ये क्या ही चल रहा है? I'm like not understanding why the media, big media personalities have been not talking about that. क्योंकि अगर what we can say Ambani's wedding let it be, then people like सब लोग उसी के ऊपर content बनाते हैं, like all the what we can say people in here do that thing, but why not in here? That is what my main question is. So when will all this stop? And also Sivakarthikeyan sir, this movie Amar Run, it would be a like very inspirational one for all of us. That is it for today. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आई हो तो लाइक कर देना, नीचे कमेंट करके बताना कि कैसा लगा, और आपको ऐसे और वीडियो चाहिए वो भी कमेंट करके बता दो। इस वीडियो को शेयर कर दो, नीचे दिए गए वाइट सब्सक्राइब बटन को वो भी क्लिक कर देना, और मेरा इंस्टा आईडी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया, सो प्लीज फॉलो दैट टू। थैंक यू।